Hey guys, this one we're going to do a bit of welding on a lawnmower. The steering thing still doesn't work. I don't know if y'all watched my old videos, but still don't want to turn, so do some more welding. I got my old camera stand. I'll get you guys set up, and then I'll just try to be quiet so I can fast forward all of it, because God knows how long it's going to last. And don't forget, I don't have anything for my face, which I got my eye on a face thingy. So anyways, I'll turn the camera, get you put in the camera stand, make sure you're pointing in the right way, then we'll get started. Okay, I'll be right down in there. Hopefully y'all are looking at it right. I'll be in the way, but we'll be right down in there. So I guess now I'll shut up and get to welding, as long as this thing welds. Hold up, peeps. Alright, there's a spot in there I gotta break off, so I had to go get some punches. So make sure y'all still pointing in the right direction. You're at least in the right direction. We'll start with the long one that has a blunt face, and we'll see what happens. I can't get a grinder down in there. There. Now, of course, I gotta weld it again. Now, here we go. Yet again. Okay. You can see where I was like chopping the shit out of it, but hey, it's not pretty. Now we'll go find out if it actually worked. And it does absolutely nothing. So, quick conclusion, I'm screwed. Because that white lawnmower there don't have a belt for the deck. And I already checked. If this one fits that one, does not. That one steers, this one doesn't. But the blades work on this one. Everything works on this one, besides the steering. I'm kind of screwed. The only other thing I could think of that will not work either. Never mind. All my Murrays that I have don't have decks for them because I already hauled them off for junk. Then my nephew's lawnmower can't get the blades off. That white one doesn't have a belt. I don't even know what size it takes, but it is a 32-inch cut, but God knows what size that is. This one's 42-inch cut. I don't know the first thing about the steering on it. My push mower, my father-in-law has it. I got my brother-in-law's weed eater, but it's got plastic teeth on it. Doesn't cut grass. It only cuts that really thick, stemmy grass. And that's it. Yeah, I'm kind of screwed. The only other way to do it is figure a way to make a thing for this, and I hook it to my four-wheeler. Yep. Anywho's, let me know what y'all think about this. I'm gonna get off here, go inside, because it's hot as sin out here. Anyways, yep, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, stay weird.